So this is a quick look around my garden after the first major snowfall on Wednesday. And this video was taken by one of my video assistants while I was at work, so this is a voiceover. As you can see, you got protection of a real fleece on this jabea, and the bin liner that were over the top has blown off. Some nice snow in this yucca ristrata. And then as we go into the back garden, you can see there's considerable snow already. And this was about 10-15 centimetres, and then the following day we had the same again pretty much, so we had about 25-30 centimetres of snow in total. And you can see the blue bamboos a little bit desiccated there. You've got the Dixonia antarctica well wrapped, still got a bit of green leaf on there. And this one, the protection has blown off the top a little bit, but the crown's still got the straw ring, so that should still be fine. As we go across the garden, you can see all the Trachycarpus. Most are protected with these plastic polycarbonate sheets. There's snow on them, but underneath, fingers crossed, they'll be okay. The bamboos on that side, no problem at all with the snow and the wind. They're fine, they're very hardy, the Radicea robusta. And then have to be careful as we go across the ridge. And we'll look at the pond that's frozen over. Nice for a bit of sunshine in the middle of the week after the first snowstorms. There's your yucca, that's fine. And all the plants under all the snow. You've got the main jabea in the middle and the phormiums around that. You've got the yucca faxoniana and the chimerops there. Bamboo in the distance. And that's a quick look round the garden in the middle of the week.